hwai wira ituura-ini ria Nyamakoroto wodi-ini ya Muingi East nikuo giiko giki kia njuragano kiratabanirio na kuria Mwikuirwo uyu ithe wa ciana 4 ararathire mutwe na kuraga mutumia umwe muikari wa ituura riri. Indi thutha wake gutabania njuragano ino, Muingi wa ituura riri na uria ugwetete Mwikuirwo uyu ta mucikagwaru na uria ukoretwo kimahahura mahinda kwa mahinda marambika mihango ya gwethana nake na kuria maramuikirie ngono na kumutungia bara kimumu. Indi aretharire ni maabitha borithi aria marekinyirie mwena uyu. No kuringana na munini wa kamanda wa borithi Naikuru irathiro Naro, Mwikuirwo ni arahotire gwithara kuuma moko-ini ma maabitha borithi riria marari mihango-ini ya kumutwara thibitari kuumana na ndundu iria aratungitio ni Muingi.
Fortunately, the police pursued him the whole night until today when he was caught at Nakuru High. In the garden of Nakuru High, and the police managed to rescue him also again from the public so that he could face the full law of the incident he committed.
Ni giiko kingurikitie Muingi wa ituura riri na uria umuthi uhithukire Mwikuirwo uyu kuria aretharire na gucoka kumwikia ngono mugunda-ini wa thukuru wa imwana wa Nakuru High ihinda-ini riri makihita kumuruta muoyo. Indi orota hwai waira borithi mekinyia na guthara Mwikuirwo uyu kuuma moko-ini ma Muingi ihinda-ini riri magicungiririo kurathukia rithathi riera-ini niguo kuharagania Muingi.
Since he had been subjected to mob injustice, he was really hit, whereby we preferred not to stay with him in the cells but to be taken to hospital for treatment. It was unfortunate, while he was being taken to hospital, he managed to break from the police and escaped.
Marina matuko yana guoya wa Mwikuirwo uyu gucokereria ituura-ini. Muingi uyu ni utharikire mucii kwa Mwikuirwo kuria uthukangirie mirango na ndirisha mbere ya marutite indo cia nyumba nja na gucimundia mwaki.
Tukasikia amepotea na in fact akarudi hapa kumalizia kenye alikuwa amefanya jana. Kuna watu wawili, kuna ule mtu alikuwa bodaboda alikuwa anakuja kumalizia.
Wakanipigia simu wakaniambia potea. Mimi sijapotea, nimeenda baka nyumba 10. Nimewaambia yule mtu mwenye alikuwa amefanya hiyo maneno yote amekuja. Sisi ndo tumeshangaa. Mtu tuliambiwa alishikwa jana Girigiri. Tena ako huko anatutafuta.
Amepatikana aje? Hao.
Riu Mwikuirwo uyu ahigiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central ari na nguraro cia kurumio ni Muingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru. Ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa maina.